Ho ho! Welcome to RyanOScope. Today I'm going to read a story called The Elephant and Sparrow. A sparrow couple had a beautiful nest with eggs on a tall, strong tree and were expecting their little ones soon. However, an arrogant elephant soon visited the area and shook the tree so hard that he managed to destroy the nest and the eggs. Angered and saddened by this, the sparrows decided to seek revenge. They asked their woodpecker friend to help them. The woodpecker, along with his friends, the fly and the frog, devised a plan. The frog asked the fly to buzz near the elephant's ear. He said, "When the elephant closes his eyes, woodpecker, you must pierce his eyes. The elephant will stand up and try to find water. I will croak far away, and the elephant will think there's water around and reach the place. We'll create a big pit, and the elephant will fall into it." At sunset, they worked as per the plan, and the elephant fell into the pit and died. Moral of the story is, it's not physical strength and haughtiness that wins, but an intelligence and teamwork that matters. Ho ho ho! Hope you enjoyed the story and Merry Christmas. Bye!